Howdy. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing what happens when a market is not in equilibrium. And essentially, when the price of a good or a service is not at the point where quantity demanded equals quantity supplied, there's going to be two possible outcomes. The first is that there's a shortage. And so a shortage occurs when the quantity demanded for some good or service is greater than the quantity supplied. And now, if we looked at a hypothetical market, it was in equilibrium, and then we observed a shift in the supply curve to the left due to any factor. This could be just a raise in the price of inputs to production. We'd see that this new quantity where these points intersect, we know that Q2, since this is going to be the new quantity, equilibrium quantity. And essentially, the area between these two, Q1 minus Q2, that's going to be shortage. That's going to be the shortage right there. Because the quantity demanded is going to be higher than the quantity supplied at this price P. Now, if we looked at a similar scenario, but instead of moving the supply curve to the left this time, we move that supply curve to the right, we see that we get a surplus. And so now drawing that new supply curve, we can see that this new quantity right here, we can call Q2, is going to be at a point much lower now. And so the area between this is going to be our surplus then. That'll be the surplus. And so after this shift, the market price is going to have to decrease in order to stabilize the market again. And so right here, we're going to have the price shift down to form a new price. And now once that happens, the market will be back to equilibrium, will be back at a market clearing price. And that is essentially how price is shifted through supply and demand changes. And so that summarizes how shortages and surpluses arise from markets not being in equilibrium. And that's also how new market equilibriums are formed because of these adjustments in prices.